Welcome to the quick tutorial of pvapins.com. pvapins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go pvapins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account, if not just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. Today, we will learn how to create and verify Revolut account with a virtual Ireland phone number via pvapins. First we have to visit revolut.com. Entering the site, we will see an interface like this. Since we have no Revolut account, so we need to click the sign in button. Now select your country. To create a Revolut account we need a phone number. Now return to pvapins and search here the selected country. Select the country. Type Revolut in the search box. We will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. A phone number of selected country will be shown here. Take this number and use it to open Revolut account. If it needed verification, don't worry, the verification code will be shown here. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. You are almost done. Let's enjoy your journey with pvapins. Stay tuned for more updates.